some heavy duty pipe apparently. Even then we're gonna have to take this clip off.
Yeah, slide over.
Oh, that's on there. I can't even keep up with you. Alright, here we go. Exhaust. Nuts up here.
Canuts
There,
right
yeah, the
here.
canuts. Need them. All right. Ah, crap. Oh yeah. Ah, crap. Come on. Oh yeah. On there. They got that spacer that you have to get to put that intake on. You know what I'm talking about? They said you can use a stock GX390 one. And I'm like, I have a stock GX390. Well, it was stock. It is no longer stock. GX390. And if it is, just go ahead and it's that you know the gasket with the not the plastic one, it's the metal one. It's got that rubber O-ring on it. That's the one we need. Thank you, sir. So, I'm not taking any chances, you know what I mean? Look at that. Unless it's supposed to pull through, that might be it. It's pulling air through here. Okay. Okay.
Bad for dropping stuff in my pocket.
Yeah, me too. I don't know if it should do like a snorkel kit on this because of where it's at. You know what I mean? I could run it up here.
I didn't hardly get anything on mine.
Really? Huh. Well, your tires ain't as close as mine are, though. Are they? I think your wheelbase is wider. Damn. Well, I thought I turned it off.
It should turn off.
They should quit after me. Yeah, we still ain't use it. Okay. I'll put the drain line facing out. Wrong. She won't roll. There's a backfire to it. Oh shit. Holy hell. What do you think, Mo? Look at the heat coming off that damn pipe. Ooh, yeah, man. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about.
I still don't tear it the yard.
Right? You